so the first thing that we need to do in this bowl is I'm gonna go ahead and just put vinegar on it. So that's where we're gonna soak the ribs for about 5 to 10 minutes. So now we're just gonna go ahead and cut the ribs. Then we're gonna go ahead and soak it there. To be covered with vinegar, getting the vinegar soakness. That's even a word. Then on this plate, we're just gonna go grab these. You don't want it to soak too much, or else it's just gonna be very sour.